like double it, and I'll walk outside and I'll give it to a homeless person. And they're like, no, you won't. And that's like double it. And I like pacing around my neighborhood for 3 hours convincing this guy, like on the phone, just double the money. I promise the video will go viral.
I was doing well in school, putting in the time and effort there in soccer as well, that I would be rewarded to play as many games as I want.
Just speak the truth. I don't talk trash. I speak the truth.
I'm just saying I'm the best fighter in the sport of boxing. No one has dethroned me, so how am I not pound for pound the best fighter in the world? You tell me.
What are they not selling that they should be selling? What are they doing good? What are they doing bad? This chair is too hard.
It's extremely important. So many of you are going to failing.
All young men need this skill to be successful in life. You will need it to make friends, to get a girl, to get a job, to make money. My name is Alex. I went from selling $100 shoes to a $3.5 billion deal. I've worked in London, New York, Dubai, and I'm on a mission to help young guys be successful in life. This skill got me to build multiple multi-million dollar businesses. Without this skill, you will get stuck in life, and life is getting more and more harder. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to the very end. In today's video, I'm going to teach you 5 tips to get you whatever you want in life in 2023. This skill has been called many things online. It's been called game, swag, swagger. This is the law of attraction. It's not just about how you look, but how you speak. I call this negotiation skills. When I was in my 20s, I realized that some of the most successful and richest men on this planet had mastered the English language. And in my 30s, I was like, damn, I realized that these successful men were some of the best salespeople on the planet. Every young man will need to sell themselves throughout life. Let me explain what I mean. Even when you start off at the age of 10, you're like, Mom, can I have this? Can I have a bike? Can I stay out late? You have to negotiate with your parents. You are always trying to convince somebody to get something that you want. In your teens, you want bigger stuff. You want a car. You want a computer. You have to convince your family. When you meet a girl, you need to convince her that you want to take her out on a date. And if you found a good girl, a 10, then you need to do some serious convincing. This is a skill that every young man needs. The girls that I met and I got with that were a 10, they wanted to know everything. My personality, what I like, what I dislike, how much money do I make, have I got a car, have I got a house, what do I do in my personal life, how many girls have I been with in the past. They want to know everything. So you gotta be ready to convince, to negotiate why you are the man. I had to sell myself hard. When you want to get that first job, you got to convince them why you are the best for that job. When you're in that job, you need to convince your boss why you deserve a pay rise, why you deserve that promotion. Even one day, you might need to convince them why they shouldn't fire you. These are negotiation skills. We're going to jump into it with number 1, understanding people. You need to understand what a person wants and what a person needs. Before I married a 10, I saw she looked after her appearance. I told her, I'll look after you. I'll pay for your nails to get done. I'll pay for your hair to get done. I'll pay for your massages. Don't worry, I'll take you on vacation. Don't worry, we'll go out to dinner every single week. The same goes for life. Mom, can I stay out at 10 p.m.? I'll do all of my homework before I leave. I'll take out the trash. I'll wash up. Know what the person wants and needs. If it's a small business, tell them you do the first job for free. And if they're happy, we want your business for life. Number 2, you need to care about what people think. Don't talk about yourself too much. Be honest, be trustworthy. Don't be a jerk. Show them that you really care. Ask them what they're looking for. Ask them what problems they've had. Show them how you're not that guy. When I was talking to girls and I found out what they were scared of, I was like, don't worry, I'm not that type of guy. I don't go out. I don't talk to girls. I don't have girlfriends. I'm a serious guy. I really want a relationship. In work, I always told companies I'm not a 9-to-5 guy. I'm happy to work overtime. I'll do whatever it takes to get the job done. I gave them what they wanted. Don't pretend to be nice, because people are not stupid. They will see right through you real quick, and then you're the one that'll look stupid. Number 3, speak with confidence. Know exactly what you're saying, say it clearly, and say it in a friendly way. Don't be arrogant. Don't say it like you're scared. Don't say it like you're weak, or people won't listen to you and they won't respect you, and you'll never get what you want. You need to be confident when dealing with tough comments. Never talk about something that you don't understand. In my experience, people respected me when I said, I'm sorry, I don't know the answer to that. Never guess, or you will look stupid and you'll never get a good response. If my friends ask me something or a girl asks me something, I say, sorry, I really don't know. Let me find out. Or I'm sorry, I'm busy, and then I'll go and find the answer and I'll come back again. Number 4, listen more than you speak. People like to speak. People like to hear the own sound of their voice. People like to explain their miseries in life, or they like to explain how great they are in life. You'll never get what you want if you don't listen. Your ears should be super focused and sharp. Really focused on what people are saying. How can you solve a problem or get what you want if you don't listen to what people are saying? You never know what someone is thinking, so never guess, never finish their sentence, never speak over them, or you will look like an ass. People trusted me because I listened. I gave them what they wanted and what they needed, not what I thought was best. Number 5, be smart. Do your research, know who you're talking to. Before I would talk to somebody, I'd research them. If it was a girl, if it was someone that I wanted to do business with, I went onto their socials. I went onto their LinkedIn page for business. I went onto their website. I looked at their profile. I looked at comments about them online. And then I knew and understand what type of character they are, what type of person they are, and I could be ready. I made a list of every possible excuse that someone might have, and then I would have a response ready. I made it impossible for people to say no. Girls would say, I'm sorry, I'm taken. Really? Are you married? Are you happy? Do you love him? Does he love you? Are you happy with all your heart and soul? When people told me they were busy, I would say, no problem. When can we speak? Okay, you're busy this week? What about after work? What about having a cup of tea? What about going for lunch? What about going for dinner? Know who you are talking to always, otherwise you will waste your chance. This negotiation skill took me from 0 to 100 real quick in life. This has been around for thousands and thousands of years. Don't see it as a bad thing. It's a good thing. Everyone needs to negotiate throughout their whole life to get what they want. You will need it so you don't get left behind, and everybody can learn this skill. Please leave me a comment down below if you've got any questions. Watch this video for more motivation, and subscribe and join the Rise Up Army.